David Baker saying, hey, Matt, how necessary is training the different angles of flexion, say 3 different angles of the curl when training isometrics? Not as important as you may think. A lot of times in isometrics, people will say, oh, you need to do this in order to have complete strength in your range of motion. It's not really that true. I guarantee you, if you only trained one angle of strength with isometrics, you wouldn't notice any strength or loss of functional ability whatsoever. It is something that is scientifically there. You may find in the scientific literature, they would say it's a statistically significant difference, which is scientific speak for saying there's a difference, but you wouldn't notice it in real life. We're only noticing it because we're scientifically measuring it with very sensitive equipment kind of thing. So it's not that important. However, when it comes to training variety, how it's good to expose the muscle to a variety of stimuli to keep it getting bigger and stronger, it helps a lot for that. So if you're feeling like your training is getting a little bit stale, a little bit long in the tooth, then yes, vary up the angle in your isometrics for that variety of stimulus. That's why you want to do it.